And now, your Storm Shield forecast with NBC26 meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
A fair amount of clouds today, but very nice temperatures, getting well into the 30s, even a few spots hitting 40 degrees in Wapaka and Wautoma. We made it up to 36 in Green Bay and 36 as well in Appleton. Here's a look outside now in Green Bay. You should usually see something, but 32 degrees right now, our sky cam on the fritz, it looks like. Wind chill is at 26 degrees in Appleton. Here's Appleton, College Avenue there. 34 degrees, the current temperature now, an east-northeast wind at 6 miles per hour. Temperatures have cooled off a little bit. We're not going to see a big drop in temperatures tonight. We'll drop upper 20s, lower 30s, so really not dropping all that much. And temperatures may actually even rise a little bit, especially when that snow starts to work on in. So overall, fairly pleasant overnight tonight as far as temperatures go, but we are watching that wintry mix that could slicken up the roads a little bit late tonight into very early tomorrow. Winds fairly light, and they're going to stay light through the overnight. Wind chills where we do have a bit of a breeze dropping down into the middle to upper 20s. Here's a look at our storm shield radar. Not much showing up for most areas. Just trying to get something to fire up here in central parts of the state, maybe just a little bit of drizzle or flurry action, but there's more steadier precip off to the west in Minnesota, and this will eventually work on in later tonight. So overnight, through much of the night, we could see very light freezing drizzle or light flurries, light rain, but then the steadier snow showers will be very early tomorrow on into basically late tonight into very early tomorrow. Snow, sleet, and freezing rain all possible, and freezing drizzle. Minor snow accumulations though. Not expecting much, and then again, anything that does fall could lead to some slick spots for early on your Sunday. Here's a look at snowfall totals. Most areas less than a half of an inch, not much at all, but far northern Wisconsin into the UP, 1 to 2 inches possible there. Quite a difference in temperatures across the upper Midwest. 20s in International Falls and Marquette, and 70 this hour in St. Louis. This system, though, will pass on by and give us a little bit of a cooler day tomorrow by just a little bit. And then we are going to see things, though, rebound nicely. If you have travel plans to the northeast for tomorrow into Monday, a big nor'easter are going to be impacting parts of New England, so could run into some travel delays there if you're going to be flying. But for us, a little bit of a wintry mix overnight tonight into very early tomorrow, very minor snow accumulations. And then as we go through the day tomorrow, windy, clouds will be decreasing throughout the day, and highs tomorrow will generally be in the lower to middle 30s across the area. If you are going to head out spearing tomorrow, could see some snow around sunrise, but then that should quickly end through the morning, and then sunny skies by the end of the day. Tonight down to 29, a wintry mix, some snow showers as well. Tomorrow, snow early, but then otherwise windy, a little bit cooler, but then temperatures warm right back up into Monday. 42, fairly quiet weather for Valentine's Day. It will be windy, could see a few flurries later in the day on into Wednesday as well. A brief cool down there, but then notice what happens next Saturday. It's hard not to look at that number. 51 could reach our first 50s of the year.
That's pretty warm for this time of year.
That is very warm, well above average. So we'll see how that kind of holds as we go through the week, but it looks mild for sure.
All right,
yeah.
Thanks, Matt.